everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm doing my second unboxing, actually my third unboxing for the day. I just finished filming my unboxing of my BoxyCharm base box and premium box for the month of March. If you guys want to see what I got, I'll link that down below. I literally just finished filming that one. I normally film like 2 to 3 videos a day just to bang out the boxes, just in case like a day or two when I'm tired and I don't feel like filming, you guys will still have content coming to ya. If you, like I said, if you guys want to watch it, I'll link it down below. This is the Allure Beauty Box for the month of March. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Guys, welcome all my subscribers to my channel. Welcome anyone new to my channel. My name is Aisha. I love all things makeup related, hence my YouTube name, Aisha Loves Makeup. You're gonna see a lot of makeup subscription unboxing on this channel because I love trying new beauty products, as well as lots of makeup hauls because I'm always shopping. Your girl has a PhD in shopping, but I tend to shop more for beauty products than clothing. But lately I've been doing a lot of clothing shopping too, so I don't know about that. But if you guys like watching makeup unboxing stuff, pretty much this will be your channel for you. You're gonna see a lot of that on this channel. So if you like that, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and becoming a part of my YouTube family. It will be greatly appreciated. And a helpful tip for you guys is if you hit the notification bell, it'll alert you every time I upload a new video, so you guys know when I post something new. And you can always give this video a thumbs up or thumbs up any of my videos. It really helps the channel. Alrighty guys, without further ado, let's get into this box. Alrighty guys, so this is what the box looks like. It's always the same white and red box. This is your sneak peek. I always give a little sneaky peek of everything I got in the box. This box used to be only $15, and I want to say they put it up to $23 now, which I wasn't too happy about. If I could have unsubscribed to my box, then I would have, but I normally subscribe to everything for a year, and I want to say like my year is just about to come up to an end, so I'm not gonna be resubscribing back to Allure, unfortunately. I liked it when it was $15, but I feel like for $23 it's a little bit more. And lately I haven't been liking anything in the boxes. I want to say last month's box wasn't even one thing makeup in it, so it's like I'm paying. Maybe I wouldn't care so much if it was only $15 and it was a whole bunch of stuff I didn't like, but now it's like $23 and it's still not stuff I like. So your girl said to Allure, I'm sorry Allure, I mean I love Allure, but yeah, until they start bringing more makeup items into their boxes, your girl's unsubscribing. So just so that you guys know, just in case you're like,
Aisha, I haven't seen your Allure boxes anymore.
That's why. I'm a very real person. I'm not fake. If I really don't like love the boxes that I'm opening, it'll show on the camera because I'm very bad at being fake. Like,
oh my gosh, another skincare item. I'm super excited for it.
Like, I'm not like fake like that. So it's hard to be fake. I don't want to be fake. I want to be genuine, and I genuinely want to be happy about the things I'm unboxing on my channel. So I'm only gonna unbox stuff that I actually really love and like. So if I don't like something, it's not gonna be on my channel. So and lately I haven't been liking the boxes, unfortunately, so I had to say bye-bye. But while I still get the boxes, I will still unbox them on my channel for you guys. So let's see what I got in here. They gave me, I see a couple of cards in here. Oh, I got something else from 111 Skin in my BoxyCharm. I just got this and my Boxy base box, which is like $115. The whole box was $25. Now that's what I'm talking about, getting your bang for your buck. Allure, take note. But anyway, yeah, I just got this. I just did this in my last unboxing. So I just peeked in, so I got something from 111 Skin. So I'll show you guys that next. But Sorry, I get excited and start looking at stuff before I should. But they always show you like a little booklet on the items that you're gonna get. I always say this in every unboxing that I just don't like that it's one person why she likes the item. I just think they should just tell you about the item and not like have a detail on why somebody likes it, because everybody's skin is different. Everybody's different. So I may love this because, okay, so this is a vitamin C brightening serum. I may love this for brightening, usually like if uneven skin, to even your skin tone. Vitamin C is good for that. So if my skin was uneven, I would love it because it really like evens my skin tone out. But if your skin's like not uneven, then you're not gonna like it. So I'd rather it just tell you like what it does rather than why this person loves it so much, you know? If that makes any sense. But let's see what I got. So I got a vitamin C brightening booster. So that's always good to brighten the skin. Let's see how much this bad boy is. $155. Wow. All right, so maybe Allure stepped it up a little bit. I'll give him that. All right, Allure, you know I was talking too soon. All right, let me give him that. I wonder if this is the full size. This is 20 ml. I don't think this is the full size because I have some of their serums. I want to say this is like the full size though. Yeah, I definitely don't think this, because it says enter Allure at checkout. Enter Allure 111 Allure at checkout to receive 15% off full price. I don't think this is the full size of this. It looks kind of tiny. But who knows? 20 ml is normally not a full size serum. But nevertheless, beggars can't be choosers. I'm happy to try this out. So I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad. Alrighty, let's see what else I got. Alrighty, the next thing I got is this IOP London. What is this? Oh, it's a sharpener. I mean, I don't think anyone's ever happy to get a sharpener, but yay! Yay for my sharpener! Let's see how much this sharpener was. The $25. Oh, hold on. All right, it comes together, because I was about to say, you guys played me with a sharpener, but this is from, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. Ico? Oh, Ico. It's called Ico. You get this Ico product here. It's a shadow stick. They're both shadow sticks. One is in dawn and one is in dusk. They're brownish colors, So I guess this is a sharpener for it, because sometimes when you have like these thick pencils, you need a special sharpener for it. So it comes with the sharpener. Okay, so now that's not too shabby. I like that. I'm here for it. So 2 for 2 so far. That retails for 25 smackaroos. The next thing I got is an Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. I've been loving the Ahava hand cream products. I got like 2 full-size ones from BoxyCharm and some from Ipsy. Mostly BoxyCharm has been giving this to me, but I've been loving the Ahava hand cream. Like, this stuff hydrates your hands and it doesn't feel dry. Loving this, so I definitely would use that. So that's 3 out of 3 so far. Alrighty, so the next thing I got is the Pixie by Petra Lip Glow. And I haven't tried anything from Pixie as far as like lip stuff. So I've tried some of their like setting sprays and their eyeliners, which I love. So now I get to try a lip product, which is cool. And it's like a little twisty. Does it smell good? Doesn't smell like anything, but it's like a little lip. I'm guessing it's more like a lip balm. It says lip glow, so it's like a little lip balm. So super excited to try that out. It's a nice little reddish color, which is nice. So excited for that. Let's see how much that costs. That retails for $14. The next thing I got is by Mud Masky. It's dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin, and swelling. So it says serum infused eye mask. So it's an eye mask. I'm going to be giving this away because I have a lot of skin products and I always give away all my skin products anyway. But let's see how much that is. That was, wow, it says $56. Wow, I did not expect that. Wow, 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 wow. I have so much skincare stuff. I have to use what I have. And unless it's something that I really want to try, I normally just give this stuff away. So I'm going to get that away. And then I got something by B. Glenn Clay Wash. It says Mild Facial Cleanser. Giving that away too. Let's see how much that costs. That costs $44. It says the clay mask in this creamy formula acts like a vacuum for impurities and excess sebum, making it extremely effective for those who produce a lot of oil or wear lots of makeup. Sounds nice, but I just have so much cleansers that I'm not gonna even try it because I have so much already. But yeah, that was everything I got from my box. So I wasn't too excited for these two things, but very excited for these 4. So love these, which at least this box I was happy about some of the things in the box. Last month, as I recall, I don't even think I liked anything in the box for the most part. So I was very excited for these. And then these 2 things I will be giving away. So that was it for the month of March, my Allure Beauty Box. What did you guys think about my box? I'm happy and not too shabby. I would give this box a 7 out of 10. I wasn't in love with anything too much for the most part, but I'm still excited to try the items that I got that I said I was interested in. So with that being said, it gets a 7 out of 10. And that's really about it. That's all for this box. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. And that's really about it, guys. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Love and miss you guys.